Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sabrina. I thought I would vlog this weekend. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I feel like I'm going to be running around a lot this weekend. And also want to apologize for my appearance right now. I'm not really feeling well. I haven't been all week. So I feel like I look super pale. My stomach hurts. I took like too many vitamins last night and it made me like nauseous. I woke up nauseous from taking like every vitamin that I had because I wanted to feel better. And I woke up super early for a workout and I really pushed myself. Probably should have rested, but here we are. And then I didn't sleep well, so I'm like a mix of so many messed up things. I'm just making myself a protein shake and then I'm going to Costco. I just blow dried my hair too, so it's looking frizzy and crazy. I hate the ends, how straight they look. Okay, I need to stop. But anyways, we're gonna go to, me and my sister are going to Costco and Trader Joe's. And then I just thought I'd bring you guys with me, why not? This is the protein powder I'm using. This Levels, super clean. I've talked about it in one of my videos before. I've tried vanilla, chocolate mocha, I think it was. That one was really good if you like coffee. This is strawberry flavored. I like it. Super like mild strawberry taste. It's not incredible, but it's good. I like it in oatmeal. I feel like it's pretty good in oatmeal. So I'm gonna have, and then I just boiled some ginger with hot water. Well, made hot water and ginger, whatever. And then I'm gonna take that to go with me because I just want like a nice hot tea. And then the ginger will also help my stomach like calm down. If you don't know, boiling ginger is the best stomach pain hack ever. I use it all the time when my stomach hurts and nothing relieves nausea like ginger. So try it out if you've never tried it. So yeah, off to, I don't know which one we're going to first, but off to the store.
Seat, huh?
Vlogging from the back seat. So we just left, you can drive here, good. Oh, you have a car behind you. I thought you were stopping for me. What? I don't know why, for some reason I thought you were stopping for me. So, just left Trader Joe's, and I always have so many expectations of getting so much stuff, but I always leave with nothing. So the first thing I got is this gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix. I heard it was super good, so I'm excited to try this. Just wanted to have a little treat breakfast Sunday morning. And then I got this dried mango. I really love this. It's super good. And then I just got organic feta cheese, and then I just got this chili. Oh, there goes my bag. This chili crunchy onion stuff. I feel like it's gonna be good for some Asian dishes. And we just left Whole Foods, and all I got was some sourdough bread. So done with those stores. I think we're going to Costco now. I know I talk about Symbiotica all the time, but you guys, this stuff is next level. I was super exhausted yesterday, so I don't know if that's what made me sleep really well, but I sprayed this last night before, like an hour before bed, and I literally fell asleep at like 10:15 on the couch. But this stuff is also really good for if you're in pain anywhere, and then you spray it on. Like last night I sprayed it on my sister's lower back because it was hurting her, and she's like, I swear this is starting to relieve the pain. And she's someone that's normally like skeptical about that kind of stuff. She doesn't believe it, but I finally slept so good this week. My body needed rest so bad. I literally feel like a new person. Oh my god, I look crazy, but I just woke up and I feel amazing. Like I needed that rest so bad. I slept 10 hours. Went to bed at 10:30, woke up at 8:30, and I just feel great. I'm still like a little like clogged, but like I just don't feel so exhausted. Like yesterday I woke up super early, worked out with my trainer, and then I'm just like running around. I was just exhausted the whole day, but I feel like I'm gonna be better today finally because I've been so groggy and tired all week. But just wanted to let you know that you guys need to try this. Magnesium is something that like everyone is deficient in, like almost everyone, obviously not everyone, but there's so many benefits, and there's different kind. Like this one is for bed, this one's for relaxation, anxiety, and stuff like that. There's different types of magnesium. I don't remember all of them and what they're for. You'll have to like look that up, but I take a different one actually too. Seen my videos, I take this one from Symbiotica, and this one is for like brain power. So they all have different things. There's ones that are good for the gut. So yeah, just look that up, and it's super important to take magnesium. Also, we made these last night after dinner as like a sweet treat. They are incredible. So good. So if you go to Trader Joe's and they still have them in stock at your Trader Joe's, get them because they are next level good. And I'm not even like a pancake person. I don't love pancakes, but these were delicious. So I just got ready. Sorry for this super dim lighting, but my sister and I are going to the mall and we're gonna just run some errands today. So I just threw on this Skims Fits Everybody crop tee, and then this like super, it's not super old, but it's like 5-6 years old, maybe older actually, Burberry trench coat that I've had for a while, my Abercrombie jeans that I wear every day, and then I'm just gonna throw in a pair of Nike Dunks. Super chill, comfortable outfit, and yeah, off to the mall we go. Alright guys, actually, change of outfit. I switched to actually my brother-in-law's bomber jacket, which I'm liking a lot better. I wasn't feeling the trench coat, so I feel like this is a lot more casual and it goes together better. So just want to update you guys on that. Guys, how cute is this coat from Zara? Cute leather with a little fuzz. We're loving this. She's a keeper. We just left the mall, and I got a cute trench coat from Zara. I've been wanting one, so I was happy. Nita got a really cute coat, which I showed you guys a clip of. I guess I could go. And normally, I never find anything at the mall, so that was a win. So now we are headed to Sweet Green. They finally opened one in Michigan. We've been wanting to try it. So we're headed to Sweet Green, and then I have a nail appointment. We're having a fun little sister Saturday, so off to Sweet Green. I will let you guys know how we like it. I got the chicken pesto parm bowl. Nita got the elote bowl. She had a chicken to it. So we'll give you an update on how it is. I wanted to get these joggers. My sister's saying they look weird on me. I thought they looked better folded. She's saying they look too wide and like short on me. I didn't think so, but I guess I shall return. Just left the nail salon. I did You Don't Know Druggies by OPI. It's actually so much cuter in dip. It's like a brown color versus in shellac it's kind of gray. So super cute. Good morning, guys. I didn't vlog last night because I went to my dad's house and just hung out with family. So nothing too crazy to vlog there, but we had tacos last night. And I woke up so puffy. They hurt my stomach so bad. I become like so sensitive to eating out when I like eat foods that are not super healthy. And I definitely like feel it, but it's okay. We got to treat ourselves sometimes. But today I am going to my grandma's house. She's having her feast, and if you're not Albanian, it's just like every last name / village has their own saint's day that they celebrate. So today's my grandma and grandpa's, so I'm going there. We're gonna eat good food and hang out with family. But I think I'm gonna go to Target. I might need like shaving cream. Kind of want to check out their fall stuff. I want a fall candle, honestly. Now I'm finally starting to accept fall because it's like 50 degrees out. But I want to go to Target, and I'll bring you guys along with me. I also want to make this delicious breakfast that I seen on TikTok. So I need like jalapeno for it. So I'll grab that at Target while I'm there. And yeah, I feel like I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but we shall see. So going to get dressed and then go to Target. I got these little parachute pants in the mail. This lighting sucks. It's not bright enough. They were so cheap. These little pockets right here. I cinched them in at the bottom because they looked super weird because they had this little thing that you can tighten them. They were literally 30 bucks. I seen them on a like Instagram ad. I thought they were cute. They're super thin. I wanted like a nice thin pair for this like awkward weather when we're in between like fall and summer, because my local European ones can be like too thick sometimes. But I feel like with a long sleeve, maybe a tighter crop top would be cuter. But they're just like an easy like throw on pant. When I first opened them, I'm like, oh geez, what did I get? But I feel like when I tightened them up, they look a lot better. Oh, and also I'm going to show you guys the jacket I got from Zara yesterday. Let me go grab it. I got this trench coat and I am obsessed with it. I've been wanting a nice long trench coat. You can dress them up, dress them down. They're like, it's just good to have in your closet. It looks like so yellow in this lighting, but I swear it's like the perfect color. I got a size small, so it's like nice and oversized in the arm, so I can wear sweaters with it and stuff. So really loved it. I will link it down below for you guys. We come to Target for like candles, home decor, you know, the drill. And we always end up looking through the food aisles. We're like obsessed with grocery shopping. It is so weird. I don't know what our deal is. So far, I got some jalapeno. I don't think you can just see my car. Jalapeno, shredded cheese for breakfast, and tomatoes for breakfast. Got a body wash. Got some shaving cream. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. But now we're just looking. We can find healthy little freezer meals. We just like to know what's out there. So that's what we're doing now. We're looking through the aisles of Target at 10 in the morning. If you don't look at this section every time you go to Target, I don't know what you're doing. But this salt candle is A, so cute. And B, it smells like perfume. It's so good. But I just want something a little more fall-y. Cutest? Oh, that's so cute. That would look so good in your house.
I know, right?
What's this next one?
No.
Okay, no. How about this one? Thankful and Grateful. It's cute too, but this one's so cute. Like, it's like too grand. This color's like too grand.
I know, but like I need like something.
That's cute.
I need something darker.
Love that.
For my lighthouse.
Wait, they have so much more. They have two of the pumpkin ones here. Oh my god, I love this. I love decorating. Making breakfast, the first thing we do is add cherry tomatoes and jalapenos and let them fry up. I'm also making these pumpkin pancakes again because they were just too good. And then I'll show you guys how we make that little recipe. Breakfast is served, baby. So I just got ready for my grandma's house. Also, I never really updated you guys on breakfast. It was A1. I'm gonna try to link the TikTok down below if I'm able to link TikToks. But so good, you should try it. But anyways, I'm getting ready. I'm just filming a few TikToks. And guys, I got this order in for Aritzia. I wish the lighting was better in here. And these pants are so good. They like shit on the blue ones I tried on earlier. I got a size medium. Let me see the name of the Cole pant. Or yeah, that should be the name. Yeah, yep. They have a couple different colors, but they're the perfect tan color. They're just so cute, and you can like cinch them up at the ankle. They're literally the same ones as the blue ones I tried on, except way better quality. So cute. So run to Aritzia and get these because you need them. So I just got another package in the mail from Amazon. I guess today's just the day of packages. And I got the Ultra Mini Uggs because I just felt like I needed to have them. I already tried them on. I wanted to show you guys. I mean, you guys have seen them. Can't do this with one hand. But I tried them on with like my joggers earlier, which looks super weird. But let's see. I'm wearing dress pants now, so it's not gonna look any better. But I feel like I love them on other girls, and I'm kind of hating them on myself. Let's go look in this big mirror. I mean, I gotta put them on with jeans. I cannot be comparing them with dress pants. But anyways, I'm all ready for my grandma's house. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, so let me go get the pieces to complete it. Here is the complete look for grandma's house. I kind of like the tan with the gray. I thought it was cute. And I'm wearing my like bone colored Yeezy 700s. Super comfortable. Like, I love outfits like this because you're so comfortable but you look put together. So my type of fit. I just need to spray some perfume. We're gonna do good old Baccarat. Grandma deserves his goodness. Ooh, love that. But yeah, Off to Grammy's. Guys, does Miss Bottega look weird with this outfit? I feel like my brown Louis doesn't go, and this is like such a different tan that it looks odd. But it's like my only option at this point, so I think I just gotta go with it. I am home from my grandma's house. It is late now. I'm about to take a shower and end off this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.